Dude, my head is killing me. I guess even zombies get hangovers. Where the hell am I? Hey, where are we? And how did we get here? Okay, start from when we left the bar. Whoa, hold up. Stop. I didn't sign up for any nude scenes here. So, what exactly or how exactly are we supposed to do this? I don't want my junk being shown for all to see. Okay, I guess that's a start, but maybe make them a tad smaller? There you go, much better. Whoa, hold up. That needs to be adjusted. Yeah, now that looks more like it. Hey, come on, just leave it the way I put it. See, that looks fine. Ah, come on, I'm the one doing the nude scenes, not you. Alright, fine. I'll leave it at that. Hey, it was a cold night. Don't judge. Hey, where you going? Dude, you're naked. Crap, I can't find my clothes. Hey, where did you... never mind. I guess it doesn't really matter now anyway. Wait for me. Guess I could let loose for a bit. Doesn't feel all that bad either. Hey dude, where exactly are we headed? Oh, a spooky alley. Sure, let's go down it. Oh wow, looks like you found yourself a woman there. This is awkward. You're just gonna make love to her outside in the open? Oh, right. Well, I guess do your thing. I'll just, wait here until you're done. Oh, well, hello. I didn't see you there. I, guess that's your friend hooking up with mine. So, I guess you're not afraid of zombies, huh? The silent type, huh? That's fine. I'm kinda used to it by now. Hey, you maybe wanna hook up? I'll take that as a yes? Oh, awesome. Just give me 1 minute. Damn. Looks like he's not up for the job. I think I drank too much. Yeah, he's dead. Well, this is embarrassing. Hey, maybe later we could try again? Hell, you two could come chill with us. I heard a smash and dash, but you're on a whole new level there, buddy. Sorry, lady, but I gotta run. Let's try this again if we ever meet up. We could have seen if they wanted to join us. Huh. Then again, other zombies would probably attack them. Okay, now your smash and dash makes more sense. Son of a bitch, that hurts. Hey, you little shits, that freaking hurts. What's the deal? We're not even attacking you. If you get mad at your face in the floor, cause I'm gonna beat in the head and drag in the face and there's son of a crap. I don't remember where we put our clothes. Oh damn. Holy hell. You lost your damn. How the hell are you not even feeling that? I guess we're going commando for now.